Hi, I'm Nathan.
I'm Kris.
And I'm Josh.
And this is my channel for the love of knobs, and this is our California BDR South adventure. Just breathe. That's the other one that we hear a lot. Just breathe.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now?
Good morning. All right, the bikes are loaded. Stopping at Fred Meyer. We got gas. We had to tighten the bikes because they were pretty wobbly. I'm driving the truck. I figure for 17 minutes I can handle a trailer. It was very interesting and exciting watching the bikes wobble, but they're solid now. There's the moon. Cannot see how magnificent the moon is.
Tell you interesting things.
Yeah, about our trip.
We've been doing a lot of driving so far, and it's been going well, but it's a lot of time in the truck, and we're ready to get on the bikes.
How much further?
247 miles further.
Can you do 247 miles?
I don't have to, I'm forced to. I have one thing to look forward to, and that's riding my motorcycle tomorrow.
Woohoo! And Josh is taking his turn driving. He's done a double shift. Yay! There's turns in the road. There's flowers. We've decided Highway 138 is way better than 5. No ramp needed. Say hi.
Hi, we're inventive. We forgot a ramp, so we've made it do with it.
That's right.
This is what I always do before a big trip for us. Holy water on everything.
So far,
And the drivers. And the drivers. And the drivers. Come here, girl. Woo! Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for coming to visit our humble abode here in Apple Valley, California.
Yay! We're putting Apple Valley on the map.
Yay! Yay! I hope so.
So excited.
We're on our first day on making our way to Yuma to do the California BDR Section 1, and we just went through what we think is Yucca Valley, and it had some crazy crosswinds, 30-40 mile an hour crosswinds, just gusty, blowing us all over the road. Josh almost died.
I said if I hadn't put on clean socks and underwear, I wouldn't have made it. I don't know what that means, but if it's good enough for Ron West, it's good enough for me.
We're about halfway to Yuma, so we're just going to keep trucking. So, we made it to Yuma.
Day one.
It was a little sketchy there.
Success.
Man, it was windy. Holy cow.
Man, it was windy. Jeez Louise.
We came from Apple Valley today. We stayed with some awesome hosts there. Thank you, Matt and Matt's parents.
Yes.
And then the ride here was just all sideways wind, crazy, hot. It was about 90, 100 degrees, something like that.
And wobbly.
Yep.
But now we're gonna get tacos, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do after that.
Woo-woo!
So what's the story behind this Paul Bunyan we have behind us here?
When I was little, my grandparents owned this RV park right here and the shopping mall that's next to it. And I don't believe that Paul Bunyan was there my entire childhood because I seem to remember him finding it somewhere and bringing it way down here to have it as RV park.
Should we get a close-up of Paul Bunyan here?
Yeah.
My helmet's in the way. Westward Village RV Park. There it is. Even with the American flag flying in the background. Josh killed it. It's the best. Well, today was the first day on the California BDR adventure for us, and I couldn't think of a better group of people that I wanted to be with and do this adventure on. I trust these people more than I can tell them, and I had a bit of panic when the gravel started getting deep and Kris started falling behind, and then so we stopped and had a powwow, and it was really good to kind of just check in and let her talk about what's being difficult and then give her some tips, and by the time we got to the campsite tonight, she's doing great.
So we managed to get to Picacho State Park to camp tonight, and it was a little exciting on the way in. I think there's just a moment of remembering how to ride on sand, for me at least.
Your anxiety and fear baloney, that's the same thing.
Anxiety and fear baloney, it's the same thing.
It's true, I just learned this and it's very useful.
What did you learn, Kris?
So anxiety and excitement are experienced physiologically the same way in our bodies. So if we start to feel anxiety, if we tell ourselves that we're feeling excited, we can actually change the experience of it, which I have been testing this theory. I don't know how accurate it is, but I'm working on it.
What do you think, Josh?
I'm not sure I believe it, but I'm going to take a crack at it. Today is my first true dual sport experience with road riding and off-road riding that's really, really testing my abilities, so it's been really, really exciting for me.
Yeah, 20 ounces.